What's up, guys? We are out in Milan, Italy right now, and we're headed to Chamonix, France. We're gonna do some skiing. Now, granted, I don't ski, I snowboard, so I'm gonna have to try and work with it, or maybe potentially learn skiing. I'm not sure yet, but the reason that we're here is we're all gathered together. There's about 25 of us, all entrepreneurs, business owners, and we're here for a mastermind. So this is an annual thing that we do where we basically get together, collaborate, network, talk about ideas, talk about business plans, talk about different ways that we can be more efficient, more profitable in our businesses. And it's just such a cool time to get to know people just a little bit better outside of the business world. We're all super busy, we're all running our businesses, and it's good to just have some time to get to know each other on a personal level. And I found such a huge benefit to going to masterminds. It's literally transformed the way I run my business, the way I run my investments, and the way I run my day-to-day life. So masterminds to me, super important. I think even if you're just starting out, if you're just a beginner, you can find a ton of value from masterminds. You could find ways to get access to more capital. You can find new investment opportunities. You can find business partners. What I find is that businesses typically consist of two things. Number one, somebody brings in sweat equity and somebody brings in capital equity. So whether you're the person that has a bunch of money and you want to invest it somewhere, or maybe you're somebody who's just willing to do the work, there's probably somebody somewhere at a mastermind that can do the other side of what you're not able to do. So it's always great to team up, get to know each other, and if you like each other, then maybe do business together. I've made a lot of money from attending masterminds and expanding my network to where I can provide a ton of value to somebody else and then eventually maybe partner up with them on an investment opportunity or a business. So, all right guys, let's head down to Chamonix. Let's go. All right guys, so we are now officially in Chamonix right now. Beautiful scenery back here. We got mountains, we got snow, all of the above. And last night we had the first night of the mastermind. So we basically all got together, we all had a dinner, and we had speakers sharing on different topics that they're really good at. Everybody is an expert at one little thing. And so they're really good at doing X, Y, Z, but maybe they don't know how to do A, B, C. That means that when you go to masterminds, you're able to meet people that have different skill sets than yours. And that's one of the biggest things that I find valuable in masterminds is meeting people that know how to do the things that maybe I don't want to do or I don't know how to do. That provides an opportunity for me to team up with them and eventually become business partners, investors together, and really build a community of people who are there to help each other, to provide value to each other, and take things to the next level. So the first mastermind I ever went to was in Miami, Florida. And I remember thinking, hey, I'm gonna spend thousands of dollars to go to this event. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna get a ton of value out of it, but I was really curious and I was hungry to learn. I wanted to grow my business to the next level. And so me going to this mastermind, I knew that this was an opportunity for me to meet new people and learn some information. And honestly, I didn't really even realize the meeting the people part. I just went there for the information and I was like, hey, I'm gonna learn what they're teaching. I'm gonna find out if I can apply any of that to my business and hopefully find some value in it. So it's not always such a straight, obvious answer when you go to masterminds. Sometimes you have to think about what's the actual application of the information and whether that provides value to your business and your next steps on that journey. So for me, that experience really opened my eyes to the value of networking as well. So the information was great. I learned a ton and I actually applied a lot of it to my business. But the biggest value that I got out of it was meeting with other people. So I got to meet with other smart individuals, people who are in similar industries, people who have diverse backgrounds and views on life, people who see my business in a different way that maybe I've never even thought of before. And it opened so many opportunities for me to improve my business, to grow my business, to start new ventures. And it really, every time I went to a mastermind after that, it just provided such an electric environment for thoughts. And you start thinking about, oh, hey, maybe I could do this better. Oh, hey, look, this guy does this guy does that. And it's not for comparison, it's just for knowing how people do things in the industry, best practices that you find in the industry. You can learn so much about how other people are doing things in their business and apply that to your business as well. And most of the time, these masterminds are meant to do exactly that. So my first mastermind was super valuable to me, and I think that if you guys apply that to your life, you're going to be able to grow your business exponentially.